Hi guys, it's Brian. How you doing? Today's is a short tutorial on how to find files on your computer. This is for PC only. With File Explorer running, here we have it down here, File Explorer. Here's your search bar up here where you can search for items. Now when you're searching for items, you can search for this PC. This will search every drive hooked up to your computer. Or you can do individual drives. Let's just do a D drive for the heck of it here. And so you can search for photos. So you can, if you're searching for JPEG photos, and just put JPG, and then they bring back every photo with the extension of JPEG, JPG. You can also search for names like Vegas. It brings back all hits with Vegas in it. You can do extensions like JPEG or GIF or Photoshop, like PSD for Photoshop. Bring back all your hits for Photoshop. So there's quite a few things you can do with the search bar up here, and selecting the drive you want to search for. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.